Hello students, I am Pratibha Prabhavaukar from Dante College of Arts and Science, Miramar, Panji, Goa, and today we will be studying techniques in cell biology and the module is photomicrography. In this module, we will study the principle, working and application of photomicrography. At the end of this module, we will be able to state the principle of photomicrography, explain the working of photomicrography, and states the application of photomicrography. Now we know that the microorganisms or the microscopic objects are the objects which are visible only under the microscope. And many a times it is necessary to document these objects for effective sharing or various other reasons, and this documentation is done by taking the photograph of the object under the microscope by using a technique known as photomicrography. Now, photomicrography is the art or it is a process of enlarging the minute objects by means of microscope and reproducing this enlarged image by means of photograph. And the image which is obtained under the microscope is called as micrograph. Now, before the invention of the photography, the early masters of the microscope used to depend on the illustrations or the line drawings to communicate what they observe under the microscope. Now, after the invention of photography, the microscope was later combined with the camera to take the pictures instead of simply relying upon these illustrations or line drawings. Because a micrograph contains extensive details of microstructure. A wealth of information can be obtained from a simple micrograph, that is, we can study the structure, texture, even the color of the microorganism and also the anatomical features. The basic principle of photomicrography involves the use of classical microscopy technique to take the images of microscopic objects or to take the images of the microorganisms, and this technique combines microscopy with photography for effective documentation of these minute objects. Now, at a basic level, photomicrography may be performed by using a simple camera which can be connected directly to a microscope, or the photomicrographs may also be obtained by using a microscope attached with the camera, and the camera with the USB can be attached to the home computer or the laptop. The photomicrography system comprises of microscope, camera and a software for various editing and calibrating the image. Now, this is the microscope. Now, microscope is used to enlarge or to see the objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eyes. Microscopic we know meaning the invisible to the eye unless aided by the microscope. Now, microscopic viewing heads comes in three different varieties. You can see here monocular having only one eyepiece, binocular having two eyepieces, and trinocular having two eyepieces and a photographic tube. Now, camera can be adapted to any of these viewing heads. Camera can be adapted to any of these viewing heads. Now, trinocular microscope has one advantage over here, that we can simultaneously observe the sample which is being photographed, as it has the third eyepiece position for mounting the camera. This is the camera. Now, microscope manufacturers makes cameras specially designed for photomicrography. What they do, they make this simple tube attachment to fit their camera to any microscope with a standard eyepiece tube. A camera may be attached to an eyepiece tube by a rigid physical connection. A simple camera without zoom also is sufficient for photomicrography, as camera is required only to expose, store and transfer the images, and microscope itself acts as a camera lens. Nowadays, specialized softwares are available along with the setup of the camera attached with the microscope, and this software can be used for editing purpose and also for inserting the scale bar. Once the camera is attached to the microscope, the next step is taking the photomicrograph. Now the specimen is placed on the stage and is viewed directly into the eyepiece, and the image of the specimen is focused by using coarse and fine adjustment knobs, and then the photomicrograph of the specimen is taken with the help of camera which is already adapted to viewing heads of the microscope. Once we get the image, it is important to insert the scale bar. Now for this purpose, software for photomicrography has to be calibrated, and this is done by using a stage micrometer and inbuilt calibration component of the software associated with attached camera. What is scale bar? We can see here the scale bar. It is also known as micron bar, which is a line of known length displayed on a image, and this bar can be also used for taking the measurement of the object. Now when the picture is resized, the bar is also resized, making it possible to recalculate the magnification. Now the pictures which are used in publications or scientific presentation should be supplied with a scale bar. The photomicrography can be used in many scientific, medical and educational areas like medical research and diagnostic. It can be used to study the ecology and environmental contaminants, and it can be also used in agriculture and food microbial processes. These are the references which was used while making the presentation. Thank you.